Not every time it's gonna be a productive, not every time it's gonna be a ooh, I'm going to grocery, I've got a whole bag of things in it. And I'm always the first one to be in class. I'm in my lunch break now. It's my first time trying boba milk tea. Welcome to the brand new video. It's a shame to say it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And I need to wash my hair, I need to take a shower, and after that we're gonna be going outside. All showered. This is right before going outside, and I wanted to give you a quick update about this product because if you saw my previous videos, it's one of the products that I got newly, and even these, so these two things. Okay, let me give you a quick update about skincare and the way I spend. Let me put the brightness on. Okay, it's been 20 days that I've been using this, and trust me, this is a magic. And I'm not gonna say this was the best. It's just a regular Gibbons, a sunscreen, but then it's with the rice and probiotics, but I'm sticking to my old sunscreen. For these, yes, absolutely, because trust me, this worked. And I'm not gonna say that all the dark spots went away or anything, but then I'm saying in a way like it can give you the instant Gibbons hydration, and that was it can give you the brightness that you actually need. Am I using this for the long time? Yes. And you're supposed to put this in a dry skin actually, like cleanse and then just use a towel and then make it dry, and then you can use this. Not in a pani bako face ma. If you use it, it's gonna give you the I don't know the word. The skin ma if you mix dandruff just to. Bruh. I don't know the word. But anyways, I'm actually trying to use this colleague because I don't want to waste the money that I invested. So, but I'll use this for today. Moving on. I'm gonna finish this coffee, put my phone on charge because it's gonna die, and I'll see you straight outside. I'm at the new Chinese shop and I'm just shopping. This is so nice. This is the first time that I've seen salt and lemon Kit Kat. Let's see if this is similar to Nepali Lay's Texas Grill Barbecue. Look at this cute sewing kit. They have 1,000 flavors of Fanta. I'm gonna try a lychee Fanta. I'm gonna start with Lay's. This is not the cut wala Lay's. This is my slice wala. Potato chips as well. One person will match with the Nepali style. It's so different, but it's alright. Let's try Fanta. It's like Sprite, soda, and peach, basically. I would say 7 out of 10. Just a quick little update. By the way, I'm in my college building. If you're wondering why am I in college in my semester break, is because technically I came for learner's license Linagalagi, which is just the building is just right next to my college over there. If you can see through the windows, the Australia masa you have to do a learner's test in a suruma to get a license to drive or something. I don't know, but yeah, suruma test dinu parcha, and then I came to do a test and I passed, and I have my learners in my bag. Yeah, I'm happy. And we're going to Josigo Garma now, and I need to go get a gift for Giri, and it's his birthday. I'm running late. I just came inside just because it's rainy, so let's go. I don't want to be late to the birthday. Let's go. It's one of the shops in Parama that was filmed. Every time shop गर्ने Ulverse is right inside and so when you come all the way back, so your पछाडि चाहिँ that's a shiny shop where I got all of these. Okay, I've got a whole bag of things and so let's try. Suruma I got this lemonade. Last time I tried Sprite, which was not really good. Another one is popping candy. I found Alpenlibe. I hope this matches the flavor. And this is the noodle that you see. We're gonna go cook korma, obviously. I got the spicy one. Let's try Alpenlibe paila. This is the exact same flavor that we used to eat in Nepal. I'm happy about buying these because kati bachi yo taste back aega. I'm not a really big fan of trying out food and food trial garne, but then living in this Chinese area and it makes me feel like trying out more food. When you walk in, you obviously see so many types of food. I mean, this is so good. Oh, that's a Sprite. Now it all makes sense why Australian people they call it lemonade to a Sprite. They call it lemonade. There's no difference at all. Sprite restaurant. And I'm actually scared of trying out new food. I'm always a basic person that will go for Nepali food, but then I'm a typically Nepali momo, chowmin kind of person. Snacks or try out it always gives you a next new texture of go to food. So I obviously like this, but Sprite and this is the same thing, so I don't really mind having these or Sprite. And it's gonna be your first time trying out this thing. I'll do that really soon. Katiwata flavors bhaisakyo mukhma kulio and lemonade. It's probably the bad lighting. It's my first time trying boba milk tea.
What? Bruh.
It's alright. Okay, now we're gonna be trying out these noodles that I got from Chinese shop. And we've actually been eating Jimin noodles for the longest time, and it's gonna be first time trying new noodles, which is samyang ramen, and it's a spicy flavor. Jimin bunny we used to eat a mild flavor, but let's see how we go with the spicy one. Maybe we need to put half of the thing masala. A lemonade and a lemon. So let's start.
Hi, I'm Zanna.
Hi guys, this is Safal Boyka. I'm a filmmaker, writer, production.
You haven't gonna go.
Camera पनि यस्तो सिक्दैछु.
के छ वर्क के गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ?
ठिकै छ अहिले त म घरमै थिएँ for the past 3 days म घरमै बस्छु. I am busy with work. I have my online business going on.
Hi everyone, good morning. I have my coffee with me. So this is really a long weekend after so long time, and it's gonna be Saturday, Sunday and Monday, and first day of long weekend, and I got my periods. I'm trying to record a weekly vlog, like weekly bhanda pani I'll see how I go, because I don't have actually planned. Oh, I was doing this. I don't actually have things planned, but I'll see how we go. So I'm gonna try and record as much as I can, and then I'm not gonna force myself to fully do these and that, but then yeah, we'll see. We'll keep on doing the basic things that we do. Not every time it's gonna be a productive, not every time it's gonna be a ooh, I'm going to grocery, I'm going to I'm going to a library. Okay, this day was all about chill morning and having a really good day. And in the afternoon he got some chocolates, Mr. Beast got different flavors. It was obviously a really chill day, and I made a pani puri. After that I went to Starbucks to get some coffee, and also went to Little Nepal to eat some jol momo, which is the best jol momo ever. And I ended up my day just going to Chinatown and just walking around. Hi, good morning everybody. So this is just right before going to Paramata. It's a third day of a long weekend, so it's gonna be a last day, and I actually have been going out all day, like Hizopani Astipani, so maybe I just need a really calm down day. And I'll try to get a long montage of what I do, and that maybe I can do a voiceover when I'm okay. But today I'm not feeling my best, but you know, days like this. And yeah, let's start. And I forgot to say, ma Paramata goirako when I'm not feeling my best, because I need to help out my friend to get some shopping done. So I'm just going as a friend to help them out. So okay, if I say I'm in H&M, you can legit find me in home section, because why not? Look at that cute set of wine glasses, and even this cup set. It feels so strange to come back to work after 4 days of long holiday. I'm like, I'm not prepared. The best part of my job is it's just 5 minutes away, walk distance, and I'm here already. I'm not ready. Hello. I'm playing game early in the morning. Hi everyone, I'm in my lunch break now, and I just saw one of the meme where any childcare workers they get dressed up, like, I mean, just as usual, they get ready, and then by the afternoon the whole hair gets messed up, their face is so dry, and then it's so black because of sun. It's exactly the same situation today. We're back after so long and all the kids are crying. But then yeah, so far I'm having a really good day. So I'm just waiting for my food. I ordered from Hungry Jack's. I forgot that it's a beef day and I don't eat beef childcare. So waiting for my food. Okay, I got my lunch. So I got I got chips and the onion rings. So I'm gonna eat with barbecue sauce. I don't really order food by the border. I forget that beef huncha bhanera, and then that day I have to order like this. I'm gonna enjoy my lunch in the park, and I'll see you tonight. So before we get late, let's go to the park. It's getting a little dark. Park, that's so embarrassing. I mean, मेरो childcare हुन्छ नि दुईजना बच्चाहरु देखे. Okay, let's just take a good walk. I'm tired already. That was a good walk though. It's really dark now. Let's go. We're back home. I'm wearing my national jacket to college. It kind of feels okay to go back to college. Even if that's waking up at like 8 o'clock, I feel happy going back. Very important. I'm eating the same thing as before, raisin cheese toast and coffee. Also feels strange to come to college, and first few years we used to have a trainer in front of us, and we do online, like coming to college. I know it doesn't make sense, but yeah, we have to come to college. Technically international students or college they have to attend, so that's the new criteria. So just here with my online class set up. I have to post a video tonight, and I know I'm not gonna read. I know I'm not gonna focus on my class and do editing instead. And I'm always the first one to be on class. Look, there's no one.